Let me show you how you can add funny videos like this or like this on your videos. But please hit the plus sign to follow my page and tag this video as your favorite. Support me to share this video so that others will also learn how to do this editing here on TikTok. Let's go.
Click the plus sign, go to your gallery, import the video.
I'm thinking of to be the next president. Who slapped me?
Let's fix it now. Go to editing. Now let's import.
I'm thinking of to be the next president.
Then stop the video. Scroll to overlay. See here, you will see overlay. Tap on overlay. Import that slap that you have already downloaded from TikTok. Hold on it and brush it down. It has become audio. So let's see what we got.
I'm thinking of to be the next president. Who slapped me?
This is how to create such a comedy video. Please share this video so that others will also learn on how to create such a video. Thanks.